there. This is Craig Hain. My students call me Dr. Dell. And I want to talk to you about this book that just has now appeared on Amazon here in near November of 2021. And it's called Dr. Dell, that's me, Golden Rule Math for All God's Children, which I believe we're all God's children. And this is about a 150-page book. I'm very excited about it. Now, I'm listed here as the author, but I really think of myself as more of a messenger. I have a message to share with you that I think you'll find extremely interesting and valuable if you know any student that is studying math, post-elementary math, because things today are radically different than they were up until very recently, actually. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the screen and I'm going to show you. Go to Amazon and you'll be able to find this book, Golden Rule Math for All God's Children. And it's a $29 book. And I think it'll be worth much, much more than that to anybody that is interested in math education, post-elementary math education. Now, you've got to look inside possibility for this book. And so if you click on that, you'll get to go inside the book and Golden Rule Math. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you down and show you right now the what you'll get to see in it. First of all, it'll point out to you that it's all about 21st century technologies and tools that revolutionize and transform 21st century math education. And it's for all of our wonderful 21st century math students. Now, if you go to the back of the book, which you can see now on this download thing, it'll say basically what this is about. This Golden Rule Math book is for both parents and students, and I might say teachers that have interest in math at all, so they can discover how to enjoy and learn math. Now, you may be doing that already, but you can do it even more. And the reason is you're going to discover an optimal 21st century math education program that is much better than the 20th century math programs that are still being taught in almost all of our schools and virtually all of our online programs. Now, you might say, why do you call it Golden Rule Math? And of course, the answer to that is, I want to teach math to you the same way that I want math to be taught to me today, given our current modern 21st century technologies. And of course, I do believe we're all God's children, regardless of what religion you are, even if you're an atheist, we're all God's children. Now, this is my quote. And of course, also, I point out on the back, take advantage of some special offers in this book, because there's really an unbelievable opportunity for any family that's interested in math education. Now, you can also, when you look inside, you'll be able to go up and you'll be able to look at my introduction. It's a 2-page introduction, and I urge you to read that. It'll take you a few minutes to read it, and that will really tell you why you want to buy this book, what's in it for you. And then if you want to know a little bit more about it, you can still look inside and look at the actual table of contents. Now, the introduction tells you what it's all about, and the table of contents just kind of verifies that, and you can see what you're getting. Now, I think most of you, if you do that, if you read the introduction, look at the table of contents, you're probably going to want to buy it. But you may say, well, no, I want some additional information. So what you can do is you can go to triadmathinc.com/all. I'll put that link down below the YouTube video. And this is now a page that I've created on the Golden Rule Math for All God's Children book. And here I have about a 20-minute video that really talks about all the benefits of this book in some depth. And it's based on a PDF that I'll be reading, and you can download the PDF. And then once you've done that, you can just click on the buy the book at Amazon and go and get it. And you're going to learn all about it and what it's all about. Now, I believe that it will actually transform the life of virtually anybody studying post-elementary math today, whether you're a parent or a student or even a math teacher. So I strongly urge you to go investigate this book, get a copy of it. And I will also tell you that it is possible for organizations or even individuals to buy bulk quantities at a discounted price if you want to pass them out or sell them to other people, maybe even at a discount. So you can contact me on my website at the where it's your Golden Rule Math and see that. I mean, I also mentioned that it doesn't show a Kindle version yet, but there will soon be a Kindle version on it. I believe it's going to be for $9.99 that you can get a Kindle version of it. So This is Craig Hayner, Dr. Dale. I'm so excited. Like I said, I really consider myself a messenger. Now, I'm more than that. I'm also a teacher, a math teacher. I've been doing it for a long, long time. And in order to demonstrate to you what can be done in the 21st century, we've created a 6-tier math program that goes all the way from the very beginning of basic algebra all the way up through calculus and even differential equations, which you might find difficult to believe, but you'll learn all about it in the book. Believe me, the 21st century technologies and tools are phenomenal, and some of them are very, very recent to be able to do what we're talking about doing. So I urge you to get the book. And if you do, if you're a student and you get it, then you're going to be able to see me on a lot of other videos, I'm quite sure. And I will look forward then to actually seeing you on some of those videos. So good luck getting the book. Spread the word if you would. I think anybody that's interested in math is going to find this very, very valuable. So Craig Hayden, Dr. Dale, thanks for watching the video.